The Caribbean Public Health Agency, CARPHA, is closely monitoring the emergence of variants of the COVID-19 causing virus in the region. The Executive Director of CARPHA, Dr. Joy St. John, says variants are a natural part of viral infection and replication, but not all variants are significant. However, of concern to medical researchers are the British, South African and Brazilian variants. The CARPHA Executive Director says the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is being administered in St. Lucia and much of the region, is effective against the Brazilian variant P1.
A recent study conducted by AstraZeneca suggests that the vaccine will work against the P1 variant from Brazil. The Brazilian regulatory authorities have assessed it and are so far satisfied by the results. So much so that the Brazilian government has since approved the AstraZeneca vaccine for use in its population, where the P1 variant is widespread, and has ordered more than 200 million doses of AstraZeneca.
Dr. St. John touted the benefits of nationals of the region taking the vaccine. She says there's mounting evidence of reduced rate of infection in countries with a high uptick in inoculation against the COVID-19 virus.
CARPHA also reported the detection of a variant in the Caribbean that is related to the P1 variant, but not quite the same. This new variant carries changes which will require additional research to determine their effects on transmissibility and efficacy of vaccines. We are assured by the scientific research of the results of reduced disease in countries which have vaccinated large percentages of their populations. CARPHA encourages the population of our region to be vaccinated.
The longer a virus remains in circulation, the greater the chances of the emergence of a more deadly and infectious variant. Health authorities discovered a variant in the region which seemed similar to the Brazilian P1 but had significant differences. This has led to the region being placed on alert for a possible development of its own Caribbean variant.
Researchers are also working to learn more about the ease of spread and transmission of the variants, whether they could cause more severe illness, and whether currently authorized vaccines will fully protect us against them. CARPHA continues to monitor current research on vaccines, variants, and the modifications being made to current vaccines and their effectiveness as a consequence of the variants. We are also diligently working with the University of the West Indies, St. Augustine campus on whole genome sequencing, and we are monitoring the variants in the region.
This is in effect a race against time, with the enemy known for its ability to change its characteristics, making the battle to contain it even more difficult. Medical experts believe that only with the inoculation of a significant percentage of the population will the COVID-19 pandemic be brought under control. Stanley Lucien for the HTS News Force.